Lions are not only symbols of strength, but they also possess unique qualities that we can learn from to become the kings of our own lives. So without further ado, let's uncover the 10 mentality traits of the king of the jungle, the lion. 1. Know your weaknesses and build on them. In the jungle of life, acknowledging your weaknesses is the first step to becoming a true king. As the saying goes, you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Embrace your imperfections, work on them, and turn them into strengths. Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. 2. Be a trailblazing leader. Just like lions, leaders create their own paths. Instead of following where the path may lead, go where there is no path and leave your unique trail. Have the courage to shape your destiny. Leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. 3. Embrace your uniqueness. Lions are unique creatures, and so are you. In a world of 8 billion people, you have a one-of-a-kind fingerprint. Use your individuality as your strength and don't try to fit in. Stand out and let your uniqueness shine. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? 4. Develop a lion's fighting spirit. Lions are always willing to fight when the going gets tough. Life's valuable treasures don't come easily. You need to be a relentless fighter. So don't back down when challenges arise. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. 5. Embrace courage in the face of fear. Like a lion, embrace courage in the face of fear. The path to growth lies in doing the things that terrify you the most. Fear should never be a barrier. It should be your fuel for growth. Do one thing every day that scares you. 6. Know when to stand alone and when to collaborate. Lions are self-reliant, but they also know the value of a pride. As you navigate life, learn when to stand alone like a lion and when to collaborate with others. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and let their strengths complement yours. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. 7. Make your voice heard. The lion's roar can be heard from miles away. It's a symbol of making your presence known. In life, never shy away from being heard. Your voice matters, and you matter. Stand out, make an impact, and leave a lasting impression. Your voice can change the world. 8. Never quit. Keep roaring. Lions never quit, and neither should you. Remember, it's not over when you lose. It's over when you quit. Keep pushing forward, roaring with determination, and conquering your challenges. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. 9. Cultivate self-reliance. The lion never fears to walk alone. Self-reliance is a trait that fosters inner strength. Learn to stand alone, be self-sufficient, and take control of your life. The best way to predict the future is to create it. 10. Be a hunter, not the hunted. In the world of lions, it's either fight and dominate or hide and evaporate. Channel your inner hunter and actively pursue your dreams. Remember, everyone wants to eat, but only a few are willing to hunt. The world is a jungle. You either fight or run forever. The lion mentality is a wellspring of inspiration for achieving success in our own lives. Just like the king of the jungle, we should know our weaknesses, be leaders, embrace our uniqueness, fight through challenges, show courage, collaborate wisely, make our voices heard, never quit, rely on ourselves, and be relentless hunters of our dreams. Stay strong, and remember that you possess the heart of a lion. Keep roaring towards your dreams.
Λοιπόν, τα λιοντάρια, ξέρετε, τα λατρεύω για έναν λόγο. Το attitude του. Θωρεί το λιοντάρι τον ελέφαντα και παρόλο που ο ελέφαντας είναι πιο έξυπνος του, είναι πιο δυνατός του, είναι πιο μεγάλος όμως του, θωρεί το λιοντάρι τον ελέφαντα και σκέφτεται να φάει. Και επειδή σκέφτεται να φάει, το attitude του είναι τέτοιο που ο ελέφαντας φεύγει γιατί φάτε τον. Δεν έχει κανέναν που επέτυχε στη ζωή και δεν είχε νοοτροπία και συμπεριφορά λιονταρκού. Όλοι πετυχημένοι, αν τους σκεφτείτε, και όλοι που έχουν μια επιτυχία στην καριέρα τους, στο επάγγελμα τους, έχουν ένα διαφορετικό attitude.